On the CocoWave Pendulum Swing, children can swing together, either in large groups or alone.
The large pendulum swinging movements are thrilling and take the fun to a new level, even encouraging tweens and teens to join the fun.
Jeg synes, den er sjov.
Det er sjovt.
Det er sjovt, fordi det kilder ens mave. Man får sus i maven.
What makes this swing so unique is that it encourages children to play together. They practice so many skills while on the swing. They can practice their collaboration skills, their language skills as they work together to get the swing started. Social and cognitive skills, they get to learn to work together, respect each other's spaces, and coordinate a joint effort to get the swing swinging.
The fun of cooperating creates a great hangout spot, especially for the elderly children as well.
Man kan være mange på, synes jeg i hvert fald.
Ja, og fællesskabet, ja.
And the physical challenges develops the children as well.
When playing on the swing, the children will train their sense of balance, their sense of rhythm.
Du kan så fat her, så læn dig bagud, når der er meget fart på.
By using a square coconut rope, we were able to put the connectors on the side. The child can stand right above the anchoring point and get a good foothold while swinging.
And children of all abilities are invited to play.
Man kan sådan sidde ned, stå op, ja, ligge ned.
The swing is visually attractive and the children love it.
It has that wow effect. The one you see behind me is in a steel version. You can also get it in color with powder coating, or you can even get it in a robinia wood. Either way, the design fits any environment.